So itong puntahan natin guys, yan no, Kurosawa Bass Center. Ang daming bass guitar dyan, grabe, from brand new to used, latest model at saka yung mga vintage. Ang dami talaga dyan. Tara, pasukin natin ha. Ayan no, grabe yung mga bass dito, ang dami. Ang daming bass dito guys kung mahilig ka ng mga bass guitar. So marami ka rin ditong makikita na mga brand new at saka mga used. Ibanez 2007 model, 2,200,000 yen. And with the tax is 2,420,000 yen. So this is limited edition Ibanez. Wow, so nice. So actually yung mga tindahan dito guys, yan no, magkatabi lang, magkaharap. Kahit saan ka pupunta dito, may mga music store na pwede mo ma-check out guys. Ang ganda talaga ng area na to kung mahilig ka sa music. So if you want to check out long videos guys of this Ochanomizu Street, you can check out my YouTube channel. Just type Ochanomizu Guitar Street here in Tokyo, Japan guys. You will enjoy. I have so many long videos on this street. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time guys. Subscribe, follow me in YouTube, The Wanderer of Japan. Bye guys!